When it comes to car care, WD-40 is like a little miracle in a can. Many people think it is only for squeaky doors, but this product can do so much more. It can clean, protect, and even solve small car problems with ease. Thankfully, here are some amazing uses of WD-40 for cars. Sometimes stickers, labels, or tape leave behind sticky glue on your car's surface or windows. WD-40 works like magic to remove it. Just spray it on the spot, wait a few seconds, and scrub it with a scraper. It loosens the glue quickly without harming the paint. Your car looks clean and smooth again in no time. Car rims easily collect dirt, brake dust, and grease. A quick spray of WD-40 helps loosen the grime. After wiping, your rims will shine like new. It also adds a protective layer that makes it harder for dirt to stick again. Plus, it saves you time and effort when cleaning them next time. If you are working on your car and find a nut or bolt stuck with rust, WD-40 can help. Spray it on the part, let it sit for a minute, and then try loosening it. The oil works its way in and makes it easy to open without too much effort. This simple trick can save you from frustration and broken tools. Car locks often get stiff or frozen, especially in cold weather. WD-40 can keep the locks moving smoothly. Spray a little into the lock to prevent jamming and to make sure your key goes in and out without trouble. It also helps protect the lock from rust and moisture. When you drive, tar and bugs stick to your car's paint, and they can be hard to clean. WD-40 softens these spots, making them easy to wipe away without damaging the paint. It leaves your car's surface smooth and fresh. It also adds a light layer of protection to keep your paint looking good. Cars face rain, mud, and road salt, which can cause rust. WD-40 adds a protective coat to metal parts, stopping rust before it starts. Spraying it on hinges, screws, and exposed metal areas will keep your car in good shape. A squeaky car door can be annoying every time you open or close it. Spray WD-40 on the hinges, and the squeak will disappear. The door will move quietly and smoothly. It also helps protect the hinges from rust over time. If you ever tried removing a bumper sticker, you know how tough it can be. WD-40 loosens the adhesive and allows you to peel the sticker off easily without damaging the car paint. It also clears away any sticky residue, leaving the surface clean and smooth. Windshield wipers often get dry and crack over time. Wiping them with WD-40 keeps the rubber soft and helps them last longer. It also makes them glide smoothly across the windshield. This means clearer vision during rain. It also saves you money by reducing the need to replace wipers too often. Chrome bumpers and trims can lose their shine. WD-40 cleans the dirt and adds a glossy layer that makes chrome parts look polished. It also helps protect against rust. With regular use, your chrome will stay bright and eye-catching for longer. Rain often leaves water spots on car windows. WD-40 removes them quickly, leaving your glass clear and streak-free. Just spray and wipe with a soft cloth. It also helps prevent new spots from forming. Driving becomes safer with cleaner, clearer windows. If your car's belt starts squealing, a light spray of WD-40 can help stop the noise temporarily. However, this is only a quick fix, and it works best for short-term relief until proper care is given. Bird droppings can damage car paint if left too long. WD-40 softens the droppings so they can be wiped away without scratching the paint. It makes cleaning quick and easy, and also helps protect the paint's shine. Car headlights can get cloudy or dull over time, making it hard to see at night. A light spray of WD-40 and a gentle wipe can clear away the haze. This not only improves visibility, but also gives your headlights a brighter, newer look. If you have small scratches or slight discoloration on your car's paint, WD-40 can help. Spray a little on the area and gently rub it with a soft cloth. It hides the scratch and makes the paint look smooth and shiny again. You can also use WD-40 for cleaning various plastic components of the engine. Just spray lightly and wipe with a clean cloth to remove dirt and grease. It leaves the plastic looking fresh and adds a layer of protection. You can clean the sides of your tires with WD-40 to remove dirt and grime. Spray it on the surface and wipe with a cloth for a clean finish. It also gives the tires a nice shine that makes your car look well kept. With these amazing uses, you can save time, protect your car, and keep it looking and running at its best.